Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new moto vlog. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded, a little bit over a week. Reason for that was I was hanging out with my girlfriend. She came and visited me. She's from a different state, so it's kind of hard for us to see each other, but she was in town for the weekend, so I was hanging out with her, so I didn't get to record anything. But here we are on this fine Wednesday evening in the fall in our beautiful New York suburbs. And I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but over the weekend I bought and installed a brand new exhaust. Now this thing sounds fucking hefty, it's chunky, it's clunky, but in the best way possible. And so we're just going to be going out into town today. We're going to go pick up some stuff from the liquor store and you know, just have a good time, ride out for a little bit. I got an appointment to get to at 7, so can't be out too long, but we're gonna have some fun, talk about some stuff, and listen to that sweet, sweet purr of this new exhaust. Alright, so now we're heading into town, getting on the main road. Can do a little pull here. Listen to that fucking purr, that fucking thing, dude, holy shit. So yeah, this exhaust, it's a actually a fake. It's a Chinese Akrapovic, so it's not an authentic one, but it's a knockoff, and it seems to sound pretty great. I would definitely rather have paid the 80 bucks that I paid for this than go all in like 600 bucks for an authentic one, especially with the way this sounds. I certainly didn't expect it when I bought it, but yeah, man, this thing is fucking awesome. I've been loving the sound of it. I haven't been riding too much because it's the fall up here in New York now. It's really cold. Even right now, it's pretty cold out, but it was warm enough today for me to hop out on the bike after I hit the gym today. So that's what we're doing now. But yeah, man, it's a lot of fun. I found it on eBay. It's literally just a Chinesium, you know, fake knockoff of an Akrapovic, if you know what those are. Those are some really top-of-the-line exhaust systems. But I wasn't really looking to get something like that and bring this bike to the track just yet. I'm still fairly new with riding sport bikes, but I did want an upgrade, especially on the sound side of things. And this has been doing great. It was pretty easy to install. It was just a slip-on, so I got it done by myself in about 40 minutes or so. Probably could have gotten that down to like 20 minutes if I actually knew what I was doing, but this is my first time installing something like that. So just kind of had to wing it and figure it out. Of course, it was from China, so it didn't come with any directions or any of that. So just had to figure it out, but it all worked out well. The thing looks great. I'll show you here in a minute when we get up to this parking lot. But yeah, man, I mean, I hope you guys can hear it well with the mic setup I got right there on the bike. But yeah, man, so we're heading into town now. I'm gonna go ahead and park once we get in there a little deeper, and I'll show you guys what this exhaust really looks like. This thing sounds so mean, bro. So mean, I love it. And surprisingly, it doesn't seem like it's gonna cause me any issues legally. When I'm sitting in my driveway and this thing's idling, it's loud as fuck, especially if I redline it, rev it up a little bit. But when you're moving, it actually does sound pretty normal. I was listening to it from an outside perspective the other day when I installed it. But yeah, it's really not as bad as it seems to be. And yeah, I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure if the camera and the mic setup I got here is going to pick it up correctly, or if it's just going to be fucking blasting the decibels out of the mic, but we'll just have to see in post. Hopefully everything works out well and you guys will be able to see this video sometime this week, because I feel like I owe you. Definitely gotta record some more stuff for you guys. I know I've been slacking. Well, I haven't really been slacking, I've just been busy. But yeah, man, so filter through traffic a little bit here. Whip on up. Same old shit. You guys have seen this road in my past videos, I'm sure, if you're a returning viewer. And if you guys are watching and you are new, don't forget to, you know, hit that subscribe button for me. Help support the channel. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm not trying to be all famous or whatever, but I am trying to grow this channel to be, you know, a nice little chill spot for us bikers and anyone who's into motorcycles, even if you don't ride. You know, I just like to go around, ride my bike, talk about shit, see the sights, all that good stuff. So yeah, man, we're pulling up almost to the liquor store now. It's right over here around the corner, right that way. But yeah, ooh, that's a doggo. It's a big doggo. What's up, doggo? How you doing? Cute big guy. Alright, man. Oh, look at Spider-Man over here. Wave to him. He was looking at me like, what in the world is that? I think that's going to be our spot right there. I'm just going to do a little loop around. Hop on over. Anybody here? Nope. Okay. My visor's fogging up. I don't have a pin lock on this bike, or on this this visor. Gonna have to get one at some point, but it's kind of hard to find them for this helmet, unfortunately. But anyway, we made it here. I'm gonna leave the bike running so I can show you guys what the exhaust looks like from the outside. So here we go. Look at this thing, man. It's a fake Arkapovich. I didn't put the sticker on it because I didn't feel like it would look that good. I like the clean look to it. But yeah, bro, it looks fucking sweet. As you can see, it's really nice. It's got a nice baffle in there, but it's still super loud. I also installed frame sliders. Shout out my buddy Seb who helped me install those because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But yeah, man, we're upgrading this bike little by little. And yeah, it sounds awesome, as you can see here. It's just, it's a dream, man. So yeah, let me go ahead and hop into the liquor store and I'll be right back out. And we'll take a ride home. So yeah, guys, catch you in a sec. Alright guys, well, we made it out of the liquor store. I just threw it in my backpack. I got me some Knob Creek, because you know I've been drinking Knob Creek all day and now I'm shit-faced. And if you don't get that reference, then you need a better taste in YouTubers and who you watch. No, I'm just playing. But if you know, you know. Drop down in the comments if you know who I'm referencing. Shout out Soup. Anyway guys, let's get these gloves on here and we'll head back and start heading home. But yeah, I mean, we'll get one final look right here at our exhaust. Looks pretty good. All right, gloves are on. We're in business. That dude is walking back. Ugh, okay, but yeah, man, like I said, one final look at this this beautiful exhaust here, the full carbon slip-on, nice and secured by that, the clamps, all that good stuff, nice baffle, all that good stuff. I'm not gonna yap too much though. This is gonna be a pretty short video, but nonetheless, I hope y'all enjoy it, enjoy the new exhaust and everything. Hopefully it sounds good. And there's my frame sliders in case, God forbid, I have any type of accident. At least maybe I could save the fairings a wee bit. But here we go, with our visor back on. Turn this bad boy on. Hear that fuel pump activate, and oh yeah, immediately just sounds like an absolute tank. For this being an $80 exhaust from eBay, from some Chinese reseller, this thing is absolutely worth every penny. What a fucking tank of an exhaust this is. But just watch out on our way here. Take this left and just enjoy the ride back as the sun sets in this chilly, cold fall weather out here in beautiful New York. Nice. Dude's got the little e-bike. Fuck yeah. Fuck it. We're gonna follow him. I'm gonna go that way too. Yeah, man. Hey, we got another biker over there. Harley guy or something. Damn, that's a nice cruiser. He's just cutting through traffic like nothing, bro. What a guy. Now, my helmet, my visor is completely fogging up, which sucks. But, this is what I get for being in cold weather, having hot breath, and not having a pin lock. It is what it is. Alright, and we are gonna cruise on to the right this time. On our way back, take the scenic route, if you will. Oh yeah, we're gonna be a while waiting here. Might as well open the visor, get a better view, and be able to actually breathe. Hey, there's a biker right there. We'll follow this guy. He's got one of those fuzzy helmet covers. That thing's nice, man. That's a cool ass helmet cover. What is that? Oh, it's a dragon. That goes so hard. Or is it a bat for Halloween? I don't know what it is, but that shit's fire. Let's follow him a little bit. Let's see. Does he turn here or does he go up? Fuck it. I'm gonna follow him. Wonder if this is the guy that I met the other day. I doubt it, and I can't really tell from behind. But if that is a ninja, which I don't think it is, but if it's a ninja, then I actually might know who this guy is. You know what? Fuck it. We're not gonna turn. I'm gonna keep on cruising a little bit. Follow this dude. Hey man, this is the type of shit I love. Just meeting a biker friend, going on a little adventure. Hell yeah. I love just, look at the little wings, the little bat wings on his helmet just flapping in the wind, dude. That is the funniest shit. Oh, he doesn't have signals, huh? I was gonna go that way anyway. Ain't that some shit? That guy's fucking flying. That dude is out of here, man. Of course this car had to turn in front of me, so now I can't see. But hey, maybe it's a blessing in disguise. Maybe there's a deer gonna jump out or something crazy. But who knows, man? I love meeting people on the road, so this dude's up here not too far. Oh, he's there. Oh look, see, there's a squirrel. That could have been, I could have hit that fucking thing. I don't want to take the chance with somebody's driveway or a cop or this or that, you know? I don't want someone to pull out on me. I don't want any animals to fucking jump out and kill me. You just gotta play it safe. Ooh, looks like somebody's got, oh, a fog machine, that's fire. Cool Halloween decorations. Yeah, man, this is like my favorite time of the year. I love this shit. Halloween and just like fall is my favorite season without a doubt. Fucking love it. It's a little cold for riding, but you can make do. Still a very good time. Whoa, that's a lot of water. Catch up to this guy. What's up, bro? Well, off we go, splitting off into our different paths. I wish him safe travels on the road, and I hope no deer jump out in front of him like they did for me last year. But yeah, man, we're gonna make our way back home, but I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. I know it was kind of a random one, just kind of chill, quick little run into the into town, into the liquor store, and then showing off the new exhaust and everything. But I'm gonna have some more videos coming soon for you guys this weekend. I'm gonna try to film a couple in advance because I got some plans coming up. I'm still gonna be a bit busy, but nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoy the videos that come out, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So, you know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what kind of stuff you want to see from me in the near future. I appreciate all of you for watching, and if you could hit that subscribe button and that like button, it would really mean the world to me, because like I said earlier in the video, I'm really just trying to grow this channel to be something chill for bikers and for friends of mine and this and that, just to hang out and share our hobby of riding and our passion for motorcycles. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This has been PureFlight, and thanks for coming with me on today's ride. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.